Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: K-Night Company reports the following costs and expenses in May: factory utilities 16,200, direct labor 73,000, depreciation on factory equipment 14,350, sales salaries 51,000, depreciation on delivery truck 4,300, property taxes on factory building 2,800, indirect factory labor 50,700, repair to official equipment 1,400, indirect materials 82,800, factory repair 3,040, direct materials use 1,41,700, advertising 16,800, factory manager salary 8,100, office supplies use 3,630. And the answer of the question is: determine the total amount of manufacturing overhead. Factory utilities 16,200, depreciation on factory equipment 14,350, indirect factory labor 50,700, indirect materials 82,800, factory manager salary 8,100, property taxes on factory building 2,800, factory repairs 3,040, 1,77,990. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.